Dear viewers, today we will discuss definition of mathematics. Mathematics is a field of study that deals with numbers, quantities, and shapes and their relationships and properties using mathematical operations and methods. Means mathematical is a field of study that deals with numbers, mean 1, 2, 3, quantities, different quantities in mathematics we can use, and shapes, different shapes, right angle triangle shapes, rectangle shapes, quadrilateral shapes, etc., and their relationships and properties, different properties, for example set properties, for example in geometry different properties, for example triangle properties, different properties in mathematics using mathematical operations, different operations, for example addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc., and methods, and different methods we use in mathematics.